We are absolutely thrilled to have you here tonight for the grand opening of our STEAM Innovation Lab. This project was a vision of our director of the STEAM Pathways program and computer science instructor, Aaron Cortez. He brought it to life.
This lab reflects and represents the intersectionality of creativity, of collaboration, and of cutting-edge technology. It is one of the few labs across the Chicago area that is available to students at no cost.
On behalf of Exelon and the Exelon Foundation, we are thrilled to be part of today's event as we celebrate the unveiling of the STEAM Innovation Lab.
Our students will feel that they belong in STEM spaces, which we know far too many times our students don't feel that they belong there.
As a recipient of the Exelon Foundation Green Lab grant program, we are thrilled to partner with Northeastern Illinois University, the Centro, to help develop the next generation of STEM experts and the future energy workforce.
You'll see some of our students that have graduated doing Fermilab internships, doing Argon internships, and that's really the impact that we want to see, and hopefully this lab continues to push that.
In 6th grade, I was a small nerdy kid who had an obsession with robots, Legos, and math. I got into Vex Robotics at first with the after-school program. I am now 20 years old. Now I'm going to be at U of I studying physics with a concentration in aerospace engineering. I go into this room and I see just arrays of soldering kits, magnifying glasses, and I just see such like an environment for learning where students can really become the engineers of the future, or even the physicists or scientists of the future. And that just really excites me, and it makes me happy to be not only an alumni of this program, but to be someone who will actively contribute and hopefully even inspire other students.
And I want to thank every one of the staff, the current staff and previous staff that has put together this opportunity for us. It's about broadening the way we think, the way we approach critical thinking, and how we could be successful with force readiness, so that we could have a better community later on and a better lifestyle.
Aaron and every other wonderful staff member in this program really taught me to take advantage of every single thing that comes your way.
To Northeastern Illinois University and Centro staff, thank you. Thank you for bringing to life this space. Your hard work does not go unnoticed.